Welcome to Azure. Welcome to Dapper Technology. So what we're going to be talking about today is what is Azure Synapse Analytics. So let's get started. So Azure Synapse Analytics is an enterprise analytic service that accelerates time to insight across data warehouse and big data. Azure Synapse brings together the best of SQL technology used in enterprise data warehousing. There's Spark technology used for big data. There's Data Explorer for log and time series analytics. Pipelines for data integration and ETL. Deep integration with other Azure services such as Power BI, CosmoDB, and Azure ML. Azure Synapse SQL. Synapse SQL is a distributed query system for T-SQL that enable data warehousing and data virtualization scenarios. It extends the T-SQL to Azure streaming and machine learning scenarios. Synapse SQL. So there's three different models of Synapse SQL. You have serverless, which can run on the fly, or you have dedicated servers that will run the same workload, and so the server is dedicated, is already set, and you can expect the same performance, and you have also streaming. So the dedicated pool, it is used for predictable performance and cost, reserve processing power for data stored in SQL tables. Unplanned or burst workload. So when you have workload that are predictable, quite short, then serverless can be an option to use. Apache Spark. Apache Sparks are for Azure Synapse deeply and seamlessly integrate Apache Spark. Clusters are managed by Azure, and they're fast, startup, and aggressively auto-scaling. Data lake. What is data lake? Tables defined on files in data lakes are seamlessly consumed by either Spark or Hive. SQL and Spark can directly explore and analyze Parquet, CSV, TSV, and JSON files stored in the data lake. Fast, scalable data loading between SQL and Spark databases. Data integration. Same data integration engine experiences as Azure Data Factory, creates rich scale ETL pipeline without leaving Azure Synapse Analytics. Ingest data from 90 plus data sources, code-free ETL with data flow activities. Orchestrate notebooks, Spark jobs, stored procedure, SQL scripts, and more. So Data Explorer. You can use Data Explorer as a data platform for building near real log analytics and IoT analytics solutions. Consolidate and correlate. These are your logs, event data across on-premises, cloud, third-party data source. Can accelerate AIOP jobs journey. Replace infrastructure-based log search solution to save time and increase productivity. Build IoT analytics solution for your IoT devices, and build analytics SaaS, software as a solution to offer services to your internal and external customers. Synapse Studio. Synapse Studio can write SQL, Spark, or KQL code and integrate with enterprise CI with continuous integration, continuous deployment processes. Provide a single way for enterprises to build, solution, maintain, and secure all in a single user experience. Perform key tasks, ingest, explore, prepare, orchestrate, and visualize. Monitor resources, users across SQL, Spark, and Data Explorer. Use role-based access to control. Simplify access to analytics resources. The end of the presentation.